Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about peptides and bioregulators for supporting key organs. The health of vital organs like the liver, kidneys, lungs, and pancreas is essential for overall well-being, as these organs regulate critical bodily functions such as detoxification, filtration, respiration, and metabolism. Peptides and bioregulators have emerged as promising tools to support the health and function of these key organs by promoting cellular repair, reducing inflammation, and optimizing organ-specific processes. This video explains how peptides and bioregulators can enhance the health of vital organs and important considerations for their use. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and ARTC.health. While he continues to research and explore new and better ways to help his patients achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals, I'm here to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Doc Max believes in using technology constructively to help each other. That's why he uses this AI-generated avatar to educate and inform. Before we get into it, please leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way toward helping spread these health-related presentations to more people. What are peptides? Peptides are short chains of amino acids that serve as signaling molecules in the body, influencing processes like tissue repair, hormone regulation, and immune function. Their targeted action makes them effective for supporting specific organs and systems. What are bioregulators? Peptide bioregulators are naturally derived peptides often extracted from animal tissues designed to regulate and optimize the function of specific organs. By supporting cellular health and restoring balance, bioregulators may enhance the performance of vital organs like the liver, kidneys, lungs, and pancreas. How peptides and bioregulators support key organs. Peptides and bioregulators may promote the health of key organs through several mechanisms. Promoting cellular repair, peptides like BPC-157 support tissue regeneration and repair, which can aid in the recovery of damaged organ tissues, such as liver cells affected by toxins or kidney tissues stressed by filtration demands. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation can impair organ function. Peptides like thymosin alpha-1 and bioregulators targeting specific organs may reduce inflammation, protecting organs from damage, and supporting their efficiency. Enhancing blood flow. Improved circulation, facilitated by peptides like TB500, ensures better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to organs, supporting their metabolic needs and overall function. Optimizing organ-specific function, bioregulators such as Livigen for the liver or pancreas for the pancreas are designed to target specific organs, enhancing their cellular health and functionality. For example, they may support liver detoxification or pancreatic insulin production. Protecting against oxidative stress. Oxidative damage from free radicals can harm organs over time. Certain peptides and bioregulators boost antioxidant defenses, protecting organs like the lungs from environmental stressors or the kidneys from metabolic waste. Supporting hormonal and metabolic balance. Bioregulators targeting the pancreas or endocrine glands may improve insulin sensitivity or hormone regulation, supporting metabolic organs and overall health. Popular peptides and bioregulators for key organs. Several peptides and bioregulators are associated with supporting the health of specific organs. BPC-157. Known for its regenerative properties, it may support the repair of liver, kidney, or lung tissues by reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Thymosin alpha-1 enhances immune function and reduces systemic inflammation, potentially benefiting organs like the liver and lungs. TB500 supports tissue repair and angiogenesis, improving blood flow to organs like the kidneys and lungs. Livigen, a bioregulator targeting the liver, which may support detoxification and cellular regeneration in hepatocytes. Pancreas, a bioregulator designed to optimize pancreatic function, potentially improving insulin production and metabolic health. Bronchogen, a bioregulator for the lungs, which may enhance respiratory tissue health and protect against environmental damage. Considerations for using peptides and bioregulators. While peptides and bioregulators show promise for supporting organ health, several factors should be considered. Quality and sourcing. The quality of peptides and bioregulators varies widely. Source products from reputable suppliers to ensure purity and effectiveness. Professional guidance. Consult a healthcare provider or specialist, e.g., hepatologist for liver health or nephrologist for kidney health, before starting any regimen, especially if you have pre-existing organ conditions or are on medications. Holistic approach. Peptides and bioregulators are not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Combine their use with a balanced diet, regular exercise, hydration, and adequate rest to support organ function. Potential side effects. Some peptides may cause mild side effects like injection site irritation or fatigue. Monitor your body's response and discontinue use if adverse effects occur. Regulatory status. Many peptides are considered experimental and may not be approved for organ health by regulatory bodies like the FDA. Verify local regulations and ensure compliance. Ethical use. In regulated environments, such as competitive sports, check for restrictions, as some peptides may be banned by organizations like the World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA. Natural strategies for supporting key organs. For those hesitant to use peptides or bioregulators, natural approaches can also promote organ health. Nutrition. Consume a diet rich in antioxidants, e.g., berries, leafy greens, healthy fats, e.g., olive oil, avocados, and organ-specific nutrients like milk thistle for the liver or magnesium for kidney function. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to support kidney filtration and overall organ health. Exercise. Engage in regular aerobic and strength training exercises to improve circulation and support lung, heart, and liver function. Detoxification support. Avoid excessive alcohol, processed foods, and environmental toxins to reduce the burden on the liver and kidneys. Supplements. Consider evidence-based options like N-acetylcysteine, NAC, for liver health, omega-3 fatty acids for lung function, or chromium for pancreatic health. There's a huge list of supplements that enhance the health and function of various organs. Stress management. Practices like meditation or yoga can reduce stress, which supports the health of all organs by lowering inflammation. Conclusion. Peptides and bioregulators offer exciting potential for supporting the health of key organs like the liver, kidneys, lungs, and pancreas by promoting cellular repair, reducing inflammation, and optimizing organ-specific functions. While research continues to uncover their benefits, these compounds should be used cautiously with high-quality sources and professional guidance. Combining peptides or bioregulators with a healthy lifestyle, rich in nutrition, exercise, and stress management, can enhance organ function and contribute to long-term vitality. Always prioritize safety and informed decision-making when exploring these tools for organ health. As always, please reach out for information on our personalized health enhancement and age reversal programs, including bioidentical hormone replacement and peptides 941-806-5511.